Well, hello again, everybody. Robert Prieto. Today's video is going to be about a day of the week. My question for you today is, do you hate Mondays? And if so, why? Folks, if you hate Mondays, there's something wrong, okay? You're doing something wrong if you hate Mondays. The only reason for people to hate Mondays is because they're going to a job or they're going to do something that they absolutely hate doing it. And if you absolutely hate doing something, my question is, why do you continue doing it? Now, I understand that a lot of people that are going to work on Mondays, they feel like they're trapped in their job. They're going to a job they hate. They absolutely hate it. In fact, I understand that Mondays are the day when most heart attacks occur, according to statistics. Well, it's because these people hate their jobs. If you hate your job, once again, like I say, why do it? Personally, I have gotten to a point where I started my own business. I like getting up on Mondays. I enjoy getting up and doing my work because it doesn't really feel like work. Now, you might say, well, Robert, you're lucky. You're lucky that you have something like that. Well, I beg to differ. I'm really not lucky. I just decided that years ago I hated Mondays. I hated what I was doing. So I decided that I was going to do something that I would like. I decided to change my mind. And what really happened was I believed that I could do it. And you'll notice that I keep coming back to this over and over again. The common theme that I talk about is belief. Folks, the first thing you got to do is believe you can do it. If you believe in yourself, if you believe that you have the talent and the skills, and even if you don't have the talent and the skills, you can learn the talent and skills, believe that you can learn it, take the time and don't start all at once. Don't jump in the deep end of the pool and decide you're going to learn how to swim that way. Do it a little bit at a time. Nobody changes immediately overnight. Okay. If you change 1% per day, by the end of a little over 3 months, you're going to be changed so much you're not going to recognize your old self. So, folks, if you hate Mondays, do something. Take a step. First, decide that you're going to do something to change that. Then believe that you have the ability to change that, and then take action. That is very important. I see all the time where people, a perfect example, people purchase these different products online where they're promised, hey, you're going to make $1 million in the next 3 days. It just doesn't happen. Doesn't happen overnight, folks. It's a process. It takes time and it takes some work. I like to say that the only place where work becomes before success is in the dictionary. And that's true. You got to expect that once you make your decision and once you have your belief that you can do it, you're going to need to take action because without action, nothing happens. Okay. So, once again, folks, here are the steps. If you hate Mondays, decide you're going to do something else. Decide you're going to do something you love, something you enjoy. Believe that you're going to be able to do it, and then take action and start doing just a little bit at a time. If you decide you want to build your own business, build it a little bit at a time. By the way, folks, another point that I want to bring up is a lot of people decide they want to go into business because they want to make money. Well, that's all fine and well. But keep in mind that if you chase after money, money doesn't care whether or not it's in your pocket or whether it's in somebody else's pocket. If you chase after money really hard and that is the only goal for you to have is just to make money, you're not going to be very successful because you're chasing after the wrong thing. Folks, keep in mind that if you help people, the more you help people, the more you're going to get back. The more people are going to give you. So your goal should be first to do something to help others. And if you help others, you're going to get helped by them giving you money. It's as simple as that. Okay. So once again, like I say, decide you want to do something, believe you can do it, and then start taking action. One little step at a time. One day, one step, 2 days, a second step, 3 days, a third step. It's incremental, folks. But by the time you get done, 3 months, 4 months down the road, you're going to be amazed at the results. That's all for today. Talk to you soon.